The irregular verb eo can be found in Book 2, Lesson 20. The irregular verb eo, meaning to go or to come, has the principal parts eo, ire, ii, or iwi, iturus. Either of the two third principal parts may be used and are commonly seen. Eo is considered an intransitive verb, meaning it does not take a direct object and therefore is rarely seen in the passive form. The endings for the present tense are similar to those of the third conjugation, like that of pono, ponere. The indicative endings are o, is, it, imus, itis, unt, with the stem of e only being used in the first singular and the third plural. The e is dropped in all other forms of the present indicative. In the subjunctive form, the stem e shows up in all forms and has the stem vowel a, like pono, and the subjunctive conjugates eam, eos, eot, eamus, eotis, eont. The imperfect and the future of eo are similar to the patterns in the first and second conjugation, like that of amo and like that of docio. The stem vowel that is used for both the imperfect and the future indicative is I, with the familiar endings for the imperfect, bom, bos, bot, bomus, botis, bont, and for the future, bo, bis, bit, bimus, bitis, bunt. The imperfect subjunctive follows the regular pattern with the regular endings added to the present active infinitive, which comes from the second principal part. The perfect, past perfect, and future perfect follow the same patterns as all other verbs. You use the third principal part with the regular perfect, past perfect, and future perfect endings. Remember that eo has two third principal parts, so you may see the perfect stem I or the stem iv. Also notice how the stem I drops away from the second singular and second plural in the perfect. The perfect and past perfect subjunctive follow the regular patterns. The perfect subjunctive looks just like the future perfect indicative, with the exception of erm instead of ero. The past perfect subjunctive uses the perfect active infinitive isse plus the regular endings. The infinitives, participles, and imperatives of eo are formed as follows. Infinitives: present active, ire, to go; perfect active, isse, to have gone; future active, iturus esse, to be about to go. Participles: present active, iens; the genitive, euntus, meaning going. Remember, the base for the present active participle will come from the genitive singular, and it will decline like a third declension adjective. Future active participle: iturus, about to go. Imperatives: singular, e, and plural, ite, meaning go.